What is up everyone guys, my name is Victor Basu and welcome to my channel Windows Victor. So today we are going to talk about AI interviews or artificially intelligent driven interviews. Now we all know what an interview is. An interviewer would ask you question and according to which you get to answer it. Now the interviewer judge you, your qualities, your qualifications through how you answer to those questions and what you answer to those questions. But it is common that the interviewer would be a human being. But have you ever thought that if the interviewer is an AI program? Have you ever thought that an AI program would be judging your qualities and your qualification and would be analyzing whether you are capable for a job or not? But now it is possible. A company named HireVue claims that they recruit job candidates through an AI program. What they do is that they take a sort of online interview through your laptop web camera or through your mobile front camera. Now throughout that interview they would scan you, your words, the way you are speaking, what you are speaking, your voice intonation, your gestures, your eye contacts. But it seems like a sci-fi movie that it means a AI program is actually judging whether you are capable for a job or not. But have you ever thought that how is it possible for that AI program to judge whether you are capable or not? Means what is behind the scene that the AI program is judging you? Well, today we will talk about that only. What I am going to say is just the very basics. Actually, the programming and the mathematical aspects of view behind those algorithms are very complicated and very tough. So let's begin. I mentioned that they are scanning your words, your perfectness in words, what you are speaking, your voice intonation. Now, you all are familiar with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and then iPhone Siri. Have you ever thought that how is that possible that they are taking commands through your voice and then reacting to it appropriately? But means what I mean to say is that they are taking the commands what you are speaking and they are means they are understanding like a real human being what you are telling to them, what is that command, and they are reacting to it and responding to it. Well, the base of all of them is an voice recognition and a speech recognition. Now I would tell you that voice recognition and speech recognition is not the same thing, they are completely different. Now, voice recognition, for example, is like you are able to recognize your father's voice and differentiate it from your mother's voice. But speech recognition is like I am telling to you something and you are understanding what I am telling word by word. That is speech recognition. So, behind this, all this voice recognition and speech recognition is actually an acoustic modeling or a linguistic modeling. Now, I mentioned the word linguistic. Linguistic means understanding of human languages, understanding of human context or the scientific study of languages. Now, what acoustic model is that? It is the connection of linguistic units with the audio signals. That is acoustic modeling. Now, linguistic units, you know what I mentioned is that word by word means after which word it is possible to come the next word, like that only. That is acoustic modeling. Now it might look means a bit difficult that how is it learning it, means how does the algorithm knows that the one who is saying is it in a perfect order or not, means how is the algorithm understanding your words. Now it is like a baby. When a baby is born, he doesn't know what to tell and means he doesn't have any knowledge of words and sentences. He takes words from his surroundings, means the one who are surrounding him, how they are speaking, how they are interacting from their parents, they are taking those words. Now the baby is day by day trying to speak. Now the baby is like speaking wrong words and using it means it is in a wrong form of sentence. Now how does his surroundings are interacting, he is understanding that he is speaking in a wrong way, that's why the one in front of him is not able to understand him. Now he again watches his parents how they talk, after which word they are placing what word, the sequencing of words they are learning it from their parents, from their environment, and day by day the baby knows which word will come after what, and what is the meaning of the words, and what is the meaning of the total sentence. This is like this acoustic or linguistic modeling. The same thing happens here also. Now voice recognition is also something like that, but it is a bit different. I will not go into much details of this. Now I also mentioned that it is possible for the algorithm to check whether your gestures and your eye contacts. Now I will put it in an example form. Now what the model does is a form of forming 3D vector points. Actually, when they scan your face, they take the 3D vector points of your face. Suppose A and C and B and D are 2 points. When they will come close to each other, it means that you are contracting your eyebrows. It is a point of means you are getting angry. Or even the P and the O point is getting closer to R point and Q point respectively. That means you are smiling. So like this only the gestures could be judged. Now this 3D coordination or the 3D point they are forming is a bit complex. It means it is all to the algorithm. The 3D vector points what they are forming in front of your face. The same thing happens in case of your word recognition also. I missed it out in the beginning. Actually in word recognition the linguistic algorithm, it also vectorizes your word by word. What I mean to say is that when I am speaking that it is a goat, now it would be pointing to is and is would be pointing to goat. Now vectorization, I mentioned the word vector, that means that one which had got both magnitude and direction. Now if it is pointing to goat and then goat is pointing to is, that means it is a wrong form of word. So like that the words are also vectorized in case of speech recognition also. Now what I discussed is just the very basic of those gesture recognition and your voice recognition, and also not to mention the eye contacts. Now it is also similar also here. What they does is that they also take the vector point of your eye points, and when they take the difference, they take the difference from any perspective, or they form a rectangle around your eyes. They take the difference between your upper limits or from the point you are the eye, or from the point the eye is present. Now like this only the algorithm judge that what you are thinking. Suppose the eyeball is moving a bit upward, it means a psychological point of view, it is like the person is trying to think something or trying to tell something. Now like this the gestures are judged, and the voice is also judged, and the way what you are speaking it is also judged by that algorithm. Now as I mentioned that what I have told is just the very basic. It would just means the layout of the algorithm. From mathematical point of view and from implementation point of view, it is very complex. So my question is that is it the right way to use the AI in interviews? From my point of view it is not so bad actually. What I mean to say is that there are people that means stumble in front of stumble in front of interview situation, or in times of means a tentative means a tense situation. So it makes them a bit relaxed to give the interview in front of a camera or in front of a mobile. But it has also got many bad what I would say bad points also, because see the algorithm judge your gestures, what you are speaking, and your eye contacts. Now it is possible that a person could have a twin also, and the twin is made to sit in front of the camera who would answer to those questions, and he might get the job. Now there are many ways to crack these types of situations. So what I want to say is that means is it the right position to apply artificial intelligence means in case of interviews? So you please debate on it. I had stated my opinion on this topic. You go to the Twitter account, type #TechFightVictor and debate on this topic. Debate go for the motion, go against the motion, it doesn't matter. Just debate on this topic. And if you don't have a Twitter account, in the comment section below, type hashtag take fight Victor and debate on this topic, whether these artificially intelligent interviews are good or they are bad. I would be reviewing all your comments in the upcoming videos of Windows Victor. So please share these videos among all your friends, like this video, comment, and please subscribe to this channel. I would be returning with more tech contents very soon. Thank you very much.